In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make printable bookmarks in Microsoft Word. Creating personalized bookmarks is a fun and creative way to add a personal touch to your reading materials, gifts, or classroom projects. Using Microsoft Word, you can design bookmarks with images, text, and custom colors, then print them out and have them ready to use in just a few simple steps. To get started, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once your document is ready, navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. From here, select Shapes and choose a rectangular shape. Rectangles are the most common shape for bookmarks as they fit neatly between the pages of a book. With the cross arrow cursor, click and drag on your document to draw a long rectangle that will serve as your bookmark. Once you release the mouse button, the rectangle is created and Word automatically takes you to the Format tab where you can customize its appearance. At this point, you can change the fill of the rectangle. Click on Shape Fill to select a color, such as a light red, or for a more personalized touch, choose Picture from the Shape Fill menu. This option allows you to insert a photo or illustration into the rectangle. For example, you might select a desert landscape image to create a visually striking bookmark. Once you insert the picture, it will fill the rectangle perfectly. Next, you can add a message or text overlay to your bookmark. Go to the Insert tab and click on Text Box. Draw the text box over the top of your picture and type your desired message, such as a motivational quote or a fun note. You can resize the text box using the handles and position it wherever you like. To make it blend seamlessly with the background, remove the fill by selecting No Fill in the text box options. Then remove the border by choosing No Outline from the Shape Outline menu. This leaves just the text sitting over your image, creating a clean and polished look. Once your bookmark design is complete, save your document. To finish, print the page on quality paper or cardstock for durability. After printing, simply cut along the edges of the rectangles to separate your individual bookmarks. And that's it. You now have beautiful, custom bookmarks ready to use or share with friends. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.